How are you?
Fine, and how are you?
I'm okay. Would you please introduce yourself?
My name is Gertrude Kabwazi, and as you can see, I'm all smiles. I am the National Gender Coordinator for Concern Investor Malawi office.
Yes.
I am very happy that Concern Investor has made to be the winner for the Green Tree competition, which is very important.
Yes.
And the prize money, wow, it's awesome. It's going to help our program in Malawi, because right now different programs we are not connected. So it's going to help us to get connected, because every one of us needs to be on the same page. As you know, it helps communication if you're connected, well connected as an organization, especially linking up with the rural communities, where we get a lot of stories, and those stories sometimes we don't get them on time, because there's no means to send them through. And this is going to help in a very big way to get those nice stories of how we are making a difference in the communities, and how we are also reaching out to the communities. All that requires communication and effective communication.